Dear students, today I am going to teach a very important part of grammar, and that is determiner. Without determiner, we can't imagine the formation of a sentence. Okay, let's discuss what is a determiner. Determine, निश्चित करना. To ascertain, okay, the coming of a noun. Definition: a word used before a noun as an adjective. We don't pronounce as adjective. Pronunciation is adjective. Desalent. So where determiner is used? Determiner is used before a noun. In which form? As an adjective. And purpose? To determine the meaning of a noun is called determiner. Determine means निश्चित करना. निश्चित करना what? The coming of a noun. Once again, we should discuss the definition. A word used before a noun. Noun के पहले आता है इस form में as an adjective to determine the meaning of a noun. Two students. So after two, what is used? Students. Student as a noun to determine the meaning of a noun. In other words, a word which signals, जो सिग्नल देता है, which signals the coming of a noun is called determiner. एक ऐसा वर्ड जिसके बाद नाउन आएगा, नाउन के आने का सिग्नल देता है, that is called determiner. There are 7 types of determiners. Number 1, article. A and the. I saw a boy. तो डिटर्मिनर किसके आने का सिग्नल दे रहा है? नाउन का, बॉय. ओके. एन इनोसेंट पर्सन. तो एन एडजेक्टिव हो गया, क्योंकि डिटर्मिनर एक प्रकार से एडजेक्टिव होता है. इनोसेंट भी एडजेक्टिव हो गया, लेकिन किसको वो मीनिंग को निश्चित कर रहा है? नाउन को. एन इनोसेंट पर्सन, द बॉय. द किसके आने का सिग्नल दे रहा है? नाउन का। ओके, नंबर 2, डिमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स। तो डिटर्मिनर्स किस रूप में फंक्शन करता है? एडजेक्टिव के रूप। सो वी कैन से डिमोस्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स और डिमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स। डिमोस्ट्रेट करता है दिस, दैट, दिस, दोज। This student, that boy, these students, those girls. So after these determiners, what comes? Noun comes. Possessive determiners. You say determiners or adjectives. Possessive. What is possessive form of I? My. Possessive form of I, my, we, are, you, your. These are the possessive forms. Possessive adjectives you can say, and possessive determiners. Your, his, her, its, their, not theirs, not yours, not ours, only our. Our classroom. Your friend. Okay, not yours. Yours possessive pronoun, ours possessive pronoun, theirs possessive pronoun, but our possessive adjective or determiner. Your possessive adjective or determiners, their possessive adjectives or determiners. This is difference between what? My and mine. My possessive determiner or adjective. Okay. Are possessive determiner or adjective, ours pronoun. This is difference. Any names? Ram's, etc. Ram's house, Ram's car, Ram's bike. Numeral determiners. That shows the number 1, 2, first, second. I told you difference between my and mine. My possessive determiner, mine possessive pronoun. Our possessive determiner, ours possessive pronoun. Your possessive determiner, yours possessive pronoun. Here see the difference, 1 and first. 1 is cardinal number and first is ordinal number, which shows the order. This is the first point. Okay. 2 is cardinal number and second is ordinal number. This shows the order. Second row, second bench, second house. And after these words, what comes? Noun comes. It means determiner signals the coming of a noun. Last boy. So after this determiner, what comes? Noun comes. Last. Next. Some. some boys, any, no, all, both, other, another, many, a few. Here see the difference. Many, numeral determiner, many boys. So after many, what is many? Determiners. What will come? Noun will come. Many boys, many students, many persons. Okay. And much is quantitative determiner. Much, what is the difference between many and much? Many numeral determiner shows the number, and much is quantitative determiner. Much shows quantity. Okay. And this is the same case of few. Of few is numeral determiner of few students. Okay. And quantitative little or little. Okay. A few numeral determiner, a little quantitative determiner. I need a little sugar in the tea. Okay. You must notice the difference. Several persons are suffering from coronavirus. Several, after several, what comes? Persons, noun. Now, after numeral, quantitative. Quantitative determiners, or you can say quantitative adjectives, because determiners function as adjectives. Now there will be some confusion, but I will try my best to clear your confusion or doubt. Some, any, no, all, whole, half, part, much, little, enough, etc. Now there may be some confusion. Some numeral determiner, some students are absent. I feel some disturbance. Disturbance, what? Noun. So after determiner, what will come? Noun. But disturbance is quantitative. We can't say that 5 disturbance, 6 disturbance. Okay. So sometimes used as numeral, some students, and some disturbance. Any student? Who will answer this question? Any student? So after any, what came? Noun came, student. I don't want any noise. So after any, what comes? Noise, noun. But noise is quantitative determiner. See the difference? Sometimes some numeral and some quantitative, some disturbance. Any student, numeral, and any noise, what? Quantitative. No student is absent. Numeral. No noise. Okay. All the persons are present in the meeting. All persons are present. After all, what came? Persons. We can count numeral. But all pollution is due to smoke. All pollution is due to smoke. So pollution is what? Determiner. Quantitative. And all persons, numeral. All pollution, quantitative. The whole world is against China. The whole world. Okay. Not 5 countries, 10 countries. The whole world, quantitative. Half of this mango is rotten. Half. Part of this book is torn. We don't want much rice. I want little sugar. Enough is enough. Enough noise. Enough nonsense. Enough talk. Okay. And this is how you understood the difference between numeral and quantitative, especially between some, any, no, all. Okay. Now take the screenshot. I am going to rub it out. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now number 6, distributive determiners, or you can say distributive adjectives. Each, every, either, neither, etc. There are 2 types of pronunciation. British pronunciation either, American either. British either, American either. British pronunciation neither and American neither. Okay, each boy was awarded. Every student gave the answer. What came? Noun come. Okay, either students were ready. Students. Neither students gave the right answer. Neither students. Okay, what came? Noun come. So what is determiner? Gives the signal of coming a noun. Last, interrogative determiners. Which, whose, what, etc. Which book is this? So after which what came? Book, noun. Whose pen is this? After whose what came? Noun, pen. What nonsense. So after what came? Noun. So after determinants what came? What come? Noun came. So determiner gives the coming gives the signal of coming a noun. Now homework. You know, this type of exercise comes in the para, not in the single line. I was sitting in a. This is a noun. So what will come before noun? Determiner. Now fill in the blank the suitable determiner. Supply the suitable determiner. Of number B, house. What will come? Determiner will come. Because what came? Noun came. There was number C, newspaper in my hands. Noun came. I was reading newspaper. Noun. Determiner will come. Which had interesting news. Suddenly, you see above, and after above what comes? Comma. I saw people running in direction. British pronunciation direction. Sorry, American pronunciation direction and British direction. Okay, you will complete this SW. Take the screenshot. I think that you have understood this grammatical atom. If you have any problem, you will ask me in the next class. Thank you.